Moonstar here, and the new animal came out in an update called the elephant. Very cool. I like the elephant. I'm not trying to get any skins. I don't really want skins. The thing I'm trying to get is the elephant itself, but this will take a long time because for some reason I'm getting mystics more than yeah. So by doing this, I'm gonna try to level up my lion to 50 because it's at 41. Don't ask why my lions are named Nala, Cake, and Tofu. I had no whatever. I'm going to I don't know where to go though. I should just go to the Valley of Giants. And yes, I went to Wild Valley yesterday. No, not yesterday, today before I even recorded this video. We provide 20% bonus to the team to bruh, thanks. Where is Mystic? Oh! Whatever. Okay, anyway, let's go to the Valley of Giants. I wanted to join Amigdetti, but can I join Mr. Noodle? No! Why is there someone named Shirkan level 1 in Valley of Giants? All the good servers are full, bruh, and the bad servers are just bruh. Okay, you know what? I'm going to Agent Egypt because I also, even though it's not really good, I'll still get a lot of it'd probably be good even though I have a higher chance of dying. I'll die a lot because I'm 41 and my cheetah, wolf, and fox, I probably wouldn't die. You know what? I'll just get my fox out. This is my fox. No, not my fox. Cub. Lemonade. Let's be lemonade. Lemonade. Yeah, lemonade. Okay, anyways, let's go to Ancient Egypt and go join freaking. This is Ancient Egypt. Ancient Egypt. You know, I'm gonna just go to Agi because Agi. I'm gonna go to Agi. And a YouTuber is here. I'm just hoping please. They're going to the boss. I think. Yeah, they're going to the boss for sure. I can tell they're going to the boss. I like the public kill. What? I don't know what I'm saying. I like to go into public servers and not go alone. Hi. Let me just kill this camel. I almost called it a camel. What's a camel? Die. Die. I said die. Die. Yeah, good job, you died. Anyways, oh yeah, I forgot Wild Pass season 16. And I don't have Wild Club! Yeah! I want Wild Club, I swear. But I'm trading my Wild Club. Instead of Wild Club, I'm getting Robux. Again. No, it's like, no, again. I'm getting Robux again. Or should I just get Wild Club? Whatever, I don't really know. Hi, Python, I'm not going to you because you're evil. I don't know if you guys are even going to the boss. Oh, you're going to the boss. I don't know if I'm even supposed to be here. Whatever, I'm helping them. If they decide, and if they say when we go away or something, I'm gonna go away and go back to Valley of Dreams. You know what? So my stupid self decided to leave the game. I feel like this is not going as planned. I feel like this should become, I don't know, the bloopers, the fails. I don't know when I know server logic. What's the server logic? You always hate me out because of server logic. Either server logic is crazy, stupid, ugly, dumb, or just something like that. I'm just gonna go to. Actually, should I be my cheetah? I'm not trying to level up here. I'm trying to get elephant. Even though, wait, where's the be sick and go home thing? What is the be sick and go home thing? No one cared about wild jungles. I can't go to China Forest or Australia because I'm at an adventurer. I'm not at, yeah. I'm gonna go to Valley of Giants again because that's where I usually level up. Yes, please, yes. Why the elephant look so goofy? What am I supposed to say about it? But I finally get to level up. Bro, this is an elephant no-free zone? Is this an elephant zone? Because I feel like I'm the only one that's a fox. Bruh, please don't tell me it's the freaking bullet. Bah! People going! I know I want to level up. Whatever. What the? Oh. Oh! I understand! I remember this glitch. This glitch is like you can't kill the boss. What's up, Star? Yeah. Hi, Jazz. I usually don't talk to my, I don't talk to my friends. Die, stupid wolf. Bruh, I hate this glitch so much. I'm fine. I'm fine. Wait, no, I'm wrong channel. You? Where's my dog? Pop stars, are you stupid? Wait, no, you're blocking the... I defeated it by myself, which makes me powerful. Also, I got more coins than I usually do. Anyways, go to Lion. Oh, you're waiting for Lion. Should I kill Sheep? That'd be a waste of time. Sheep is useless. Sheep still counts as a boss. I just feel. Who? Oh, Eagle. I don't see a lot of people use Eagle unless for glitches. Hi, Salvador. Hello, Salvador. How you done? is the dying sound so dying sound? Did you even die? I feel like these animals came from the freaking circus. Why did I say the surface? Or did they just emerge from the surface or something? Kill the cat. Kill the cat. Kill the... No, not the cat that someone's using. I can tell someone's using the cat pup thing. Oh yeah, Galadito. Wait, you're Chinese? I'm your Spanish. I don't...